Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to do MSME registration in just few minutes. MSME registration might be required for several cases. Firstly, it acts as a document for the existence of business. Secondly, it can be used to provide to the bank for opening of current account. Thirdly, there are several incentives and benefits which is offered by the government to medium and small enterprises. In that case also you might require this document. While you are doing for trademark registration, there is fee waiver if you are having MSME registration. So let's see this. So first you just need to visit Google Baba and here you have to write Udyam registration. Here this is the first link udyamregistration.gov.in. I'll just open this tab. Now here in this website you just have to navigate through this. If you are registering yourself for the first time, you need to click on this link. For new entrepreneurs who are not registered, here you just need to enter the Aadhaar number and name as per Aadhaar. Now do remember, if you are having a private limited company, in that case you have to enter here the Aadhaar number of managing director. So here now I have entered the details of Aadhaar number and name of the entrepreneur. And now here I'll click on validate and generate the OTP. Now the OTP will be going to the Aadhaar registered phone number. Okay, so now I have entered the OTP. I'll just validate it. Once it is validated, now you will see different options and we have to fill it. Here I have selected proprietorship and I have entered the PIN number here. Now I'll just validate it. So once it is verified, now other options have come up. Now first thing it is asking is, have you filed the ITR for previous year? So now automatically it has selected no, and there is no option to select and the option to select yes has not been enabled because the data has been mapped with income tax website and they have verified that ITR has not been filed. So it is by default coming as no. In your case, it might come differently as per the data. Now it is asking that do you have GSTIN number? In our case, we don't have GSTIN number. So we are selecting no because our turnover has not been exceeded. So we don't have GSTIN number for the time being. Okay, so now name of entrepreneur will come up. It will be auto populated. Here it has come. I have just blurred it out. Here you have to enter mobile number and email address of the firm. Now, post this, here you have to select the social category. In case of individual, you have to select the category of the individual. Otherwise, these criterias are there which you have to follow while determining the category. In our case, it's general, so we have selected general. Now you have to select the gender here. And if you are specially abled, you have to select yes, otherwise no. Now here you have to enter the name of the enterprise. Make sure that while you are entering the name, it should be as per GST number if you are having GST number. Otherwise, if you are planning to apply for GST number, then make sure you enter the name accordingly. Now here you have to enter the unit name. So here you have to enter name of the business. So our name of business was something something, that only we have written here, and then you add it. Once you add it, then you have to enter here the location of it. So here you will add the address of the business, and once it has been added, you will click on add. Once you will add it, then it will come up here like this. It shows entire address here. Then official address of the enterprise. If you are having separate office and separate plant, then you have to enter different office address here at point number 13. Otherwise, in our case, what we have done is we have copy pasted the address of 12th point in the 13th point because we are not having separate plant and office. It's in the same premise. You have to enter here latitude and longitude details. For that, you just have to click here, get latitude and longitude. Once you'll click it, a new window will come. Here you have to pinpoint the location where your business is, and then it will automatically pick up the latitude and longitude. So once you will select the location, it will show the latitude and longitude. Now in 14th number, if you are having previous number, Udyam number, then you have to select OK. Otherwise, you have to just select on not applicable. Then status of enterprise. Here you have to enter date of incorporation. We have entered that. Then whether production or business is commenced or not, you have to enter those details. And once you enter it, now you have to enter the date of commencement of business. Then bank details. Here we have entered the bank details, the bank name, IFSC code, and the bank account number. Then here you have to select major activity of the unit. manufacturing and services. Here there is only two options. However, do remember that if you are having trading business, in that case you have to select services. So we are also into trading business, so we have selected services here. And now you have to select on non-trading or trading. If it's for profit, then you have to select trading, and if it's not for profit, then you have to select non-trading. On 18th number, you have to select the NIC code. In our case, our NIC code is this, and we have entered the NIC code. Once it is done, you have to just add the activity. We have added the activity, and once it is added, now we'll move further. Here you have to enter the detail of person employed. Make sure that if you are planning to apply for subsidies, and in case there are requirement for number of employees, then make sure that it complies and it matches with that requirement and actuality also. Then here you just have to select OK, and here details will auto populate. In case details are not auto populating, then you have to enter the details of assets which you had earlier. In general, the WDV of the assets, what you have to enter here, in general it will come as 0. Here there are certain options. If you are interested in doing the registration on all these things, then you have to select accordingly. One good thing which I want to recommend you is you can get a free domain name of .in name. You can get it, and that's why I have selected it yes here. Once all these things are done, now just I have to submit and get the final OTP. Now it is just asking ki all the details are right or not. I am confirming it. Yes, all the details are right. Now I have to enter the OTP. So once you will enter the OTP, you will get this pop-up window which says Udyam registration successfully submitted. Your Udyam registration number is this. Now I have to just tap on OK, and here I have gotten the certificate also. I can print the certificate and I can save it.